ChatGPT or Gemini? Both are free. Both are incredibly powerful, but they are not the same, and using the wrong one for the wrong task is costing you time. I spent a full week testing both on real tasks, writing emails, researching topics, generating ideas, summarizing documents, and more. In this video, I am going to go round by round so you know exactly which tool wins, and which one you should actually have open on your computer right now. Stay until the end because the final verdict might change how you use AI completely. Before the comparison, let me quickly cover what each tool is for anyone who is new. ChatGPT is made by OpenAI. The free version runs on GPT-4o Mini. It has been around since late 2022 and is the most widely used AI chatbot in the world. Clean interface, very fast, excellent at writing and reasoning tasks. Gemini is made by Google. The free version is Gemini 1.5 Flash. The key difference right away, Gemini is built into the Google ecosystem. It can pull from Google Search in real time, connect to your Gmail, and access Google Docs. That is a big deal. Both are free to use. Both run in your browser, no downloads needed. Now let's see which one actually performs better. Round 1. Writing quality. I am going to give both tools the exact same prompt and show you the results side by side. The prompt is, write a short product description for wireless earbuds. Make it sound exciting and modern. Keep it under 80 words. Here is what ChatGPT gave me. Read it yourself. And here is Gemini. Take a look. Both outputs are solid, but if you compare them carefully, ChatGPT's version has better sentence rhythm and more punchy word choices. Gemini's version reads a bit safer, more corporate, less exciting. For creative writing, marketing copy, and anything where tone matters, ChatGPT has the edge. Round 2. Research and real-time information. This one is not even close. I asked both tools, what are the top AI tools people are using right now in 2026? Simple question. Let's see what happens. ChatGPT on the free plan has a knowledge cutoff. It cannot access the internet in real time. So the answer it gives you is based on information from its training data, which could be months or even over a year old. See this message here? It is telling you it does not know what is happening right now. Now look at Gemini. It pulls from Google Search in real time. You get current information with sources you can click for any research task, news, trends, current events, recent product releases. Gemini wins this round easily. Round 3. Brainstorming. This is one of the most common ways people use AI, so this matters. Prompt, give me 15 YouTube video ideas for a channel about AI tools and productivity. Be specific and creative. ChatGPT gives you a solid list. Notice how the ideas are specific and varied. It mixes beginner topics with advanced ones, tutorial formats with listicles, very usable. Gemini also performs well here. Its ideas tend to be slightly more trend-aware because of the live search connection. It might suggest topics based on what people are actually searching for right now. For brainstorming, both tools are excellent. But Gemini has a slight edge if you want ideas tied to current trends. ChatGPT wins if you want more creative, unexpected ideas. Round 4. Summarizing. If you need to quickly understand a long document, article, or report, which tool handles it better? I pasted the same 800-word article into both and asked, summarize this in 5 bullet points. Keep each point under 2 sentences. ChatGPT gives you clean, well-structured bullet points. Each one captures a key idea from the article without losing the important details. The formatting is easy to read. Gemini does the same task well. One advantage Gemini has here, if you are using Gemini inside Google Docs, it can summarize your own documents directly without you needing to copy and paste anything. That is a huge time saver if you live inside Google Workspace. For standalone summarizing, both are equal. But for people who work inside Google Docs every day, Gemini has a clear, practical advantage. So which one is better? Here's my honest verdict after 1 week of testing both every single day. Use ChatGPT when you need to write something, emails, captions, scripts, product descriptions, cover letters. It is the better writer. Use Gemini when you need current information, want to research something happening right now, or work heavily inside Google tools like Docs, Gmail, or Drive. My personal recommendation: use both. Keep them both bookmarked. They take 10 seconds to open. Open ChatGPT for writing tasks. Open Gemini for research tasks. That combination is more powerful than any paid AI subscription. The best AI tool is not one or the other. It is knowing which one to use and when. Both of these tools are free right now. Go try them yourself and see which one feels more natural for the way you work. If you want the step-by-step beginner guide for ChatGPT, I already uploaded that. The link is in the description. And if you want to see more comparisons like this, the best free AI tools, the best AI tools for students, or how to actually make money using AI, subscribe. I upload new videos every week. See you in the next one.